Industry 4.0 allows not only machines to connect to other machines, but also machines to parts, and ultimately, the opportunity for leveraging the data for improved insight and customer service, which forms the foundation for the factory of the future. Though small to mid-sized manufacturers consider Industry 4.0 to be bleeding-edge technology, it's really not. These technologies and processes have been around for decades, and odds are many are already collecting some of this information. It's the grander possibilities enabled by general advances in enterprise resource planning technology that have expanded into the Industry 4.0 vision for small and mid-sized businesses and mid-market. Every manufacturer needs to figure out what issues or low-hanging fruit can be addressed to further streamline operations, increase throughput, minimize bottlenecks, and deliver exceptional customer service to maintain or expand their competitive advantage. And what better way than leveraging data directly from its factory equipment, viewable from anywhere a user needs to view?